Now let me share a solution for the such size, very big size wall cabin. You see this very big one. So this one piece is almost 4 feet. It's 4 feet. It's 2-3 feet something. So our solution is the lighting we use. Right here, one size of this kind of lighting, 31056. That one. So here, this insert here. After insert, you cannot see the light. Okay, here each side have one, and this two the same. Each side have one piece, and then the same because the light to the back sides. So this 1, 2, 3 all use the same lighting, but something different is this. That one because the drawers will pull out, so the light should be cover this area. So we use this model 31134, and so here each side from top to the end, each side one piece. So the light will be come out this side 120 degrees. So each one have one of these lights. And so here, and here. And how we control the lights? Now the solution we have two. I show you here. Come from power. You can use a wireless, which have a receiver, and here the sensor, door control sensor. Close the door, the light off. Open the door, the light turn on. And this is a wireless solution, and this is a wireless solution. The wire connect here, and this is the sensor. So close the door, the light off. Open the door, the light turn on. And then connect here to the light. And because here have two lights, so I use a wire shake wire. So you can see this can connect two lights. So how to install this sensor? You can use this install brake key. You can use a screw or double side tap. Double side tap just connect here, then to the put on the surface of the wood. And also this, you can put a double side tap here and fix there, and I'll show you. See, like this. You can install in here. There's a wired solution, and here drill a hole. Here drill a hole, and then the wire can come to the back side. And here you can cover it. You can hide here. You cannot see the wire. And this is a wire solution. And the this solution is it. You see, the sensor is there. So just hide in there some place. So this is a solution for a large size wall cabinet and bed cabinet.